Hello everyone, this is Abdullah with 6 Minute Chinese. In this video I am going to show you how to use measure word. So let's get started. First of all, I have written a measure word which is called Zhang. Zhang is a measure word which is used before the table map and newspaper. So if I say one map, 一张地图, 一张地图, how do you say two map? 两张地图, 两张地图. Three table, 三张桌子. Here is 桌子. 桌子 means table. Here I already written the Chinese form. 5 newspaper. 五 means 5. Zhang is a major word for newspaper. 五张报纸. 报纸 means newspaper. Here is another major word which is called pa. Pa is a major word which is used umbrella and chair. So how would you say two umbrella? 两把伞, one umbrella. 一把伞. How to say 6 chair? 六把椅子. 六把椅子. Here is another major word which is called J. J is a major word which is used for class. Suppose one class, 一节课, two class, 两节课. Here is I have already written. Pen. Pen is a major word which is used for book. Suppose one book, 一本书, two book, 两本书. Suppose I have 3 books. 我有3本书. 我有3本书. I have 2 English books. 我有2本英文书. Another crucial major word which is called Thai. Thai is a major word which is used as certain machinery. Always remember, this major word is used for as big machinery part, like computer. Computer is a big machinery. So how to say one computer? 一台电脑. 一台电脑. 一台电视, one television. 一台电视, one television. Another major word is called pu. Pu is used for book, film, machine, vehicle and so on. Here is another note. This major word is always used for a small machinery part or small things like small electronic dictionary. 一部电子词典, one electronic dictionary. We know that electronic dictionary means which we used in our mobile phone. It's an electronic dictionary. And another thing is two mobile phone. 两部手机. Mobile phone is also small electronic parts. So that's why we use pu here. Pay is a major word which is always used for cup, plate and glass. Here, 一杯咖啡, one cup coffee. How to say 2 cup coffee? Correct? 两杯咖啡. 两杯咖啡. 两杯茶. 两杯茶. It means 2 cup tea. Ping is the most crucial major word which is used before the word called beer, mineral water, and cola and coke. Suppose one bottle beer, 一瓶啤酒，一瓶啤酒，一瓶啤酒。啤酒 means beer. Two bottle cola, two bottle cola. Liang cola, Liang cola. Gin and gong gin. Gin means half kilogram. Gong gin always indicate 1 kilogram. So 3 kilogram strawberry. How do you say? San gong jin khao mei. San gong jin khao mei. It means 3 kilogram strawberry. How to say half kilogram apple? Yi jin pinguo. Here pinguo means apple. That's all about our today lesson. So if you think it is useful for you, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that you can get all of notification from our channel. Jai Hind.